Milky Way Galaxy and Beyond by Spencer Bayless. Most stars belong to very big groups known as galaxies. The Sun is one of at least 100 billion stars in our galaxy, the Milky Way. There are billions of galaxies in the universe. Nearly all galaxies have a supermassive black hole at the center. Galaxies were born only a few 100 million years after the universe was created. At first, the galaxies were small and much closer together. Collisions were common. As the galaxies smashed into each other, they grew in size and changed shape. Since then, the universe has been expanding. Most galaxies are moving apart at high speed. Our home planet, Earth, is located in the arms of a large rival galaxy called the Milky Way. The Sun and the rest of the planets in our solar system are in a quiet part of the Milky Way, halfway from its center. Spiral galaxies are flat, rotating disks with at least two spiral arms of newer stars extending out from a central bulge of older stars. The Milky Way rotates once every 200 million years. It is so big that it takes 100,000 years for light to cross from one side to the other side. Outside the main spiral of the Milky Way are about 200 clusters of stars. Each cluster is very old and contains up to 1 million stars. Like people, stars are born, grow old, and they die. Stars are born in cold clouds of gas and dust known as nebulas. The clouds of gas begin to shrink. As a cloud gets smaller, it breaks into clumps. It becomes so hot and dense, nuclear reactions begin. When the temperature reaches 100 million degrees Celsius, the clump becomes a new star. Most stars take millions of years to die. When a star, like our Sun, has burned all of its fuel, it will expand and become a red giant. When our Sun becomes a red giant, it will be big enough to swallow the planets Mercury and Venus. After this, the star collapses to form a white dwarf. 1 teaspoon of material from a white dwarf weighs about 100 tons, which is about the size of a large airplane. Over a billion of years, the white dwarf cools and becomes invisible. Stars bigger than 8 times the mass of the Sun end their lives suddenly. When they run out of fuel, they swell into red supergiants. When they have burned all of the available fuel, the core collapses. Then they blow themselves apart in a huge supernova explosion. Then it quickly fades. All that is left is a tiny, dense object, a neutron star or black hole. One of the last supernovas in the Milky Way took place about 340 years ago in the constellation Cassiopeia. Supernovas are important because they spread star materials across the galaxy to make new stars and planets. Most astronomers believe the universe began in a Big Bang about 14 billion years ago. Before it started, it is believed that the entire universe was inside a bubble that was smaller than a pinhead. Suddenly, the universe that we know is born. In a fraction of a second, the universe grew from smaller than a single atom to bigger than a galaxy. and it's still expanding today.